The concept of authority in psychology refers to the power or influence that someone perceived as an expert, leader, or figure of authority has over others. People are naturally inclined to follow or listen to those they view as knowledgeable or powerful. This tendency is deeply rooted in human psychology and social conditioning. Why does authority work? Social learning. From a young age, we are taught to respect and obey authority figures like parents, teachers, and leaders. This early learning creates a habit of deferring to authority, believing they know best. Cognitive shortcut. Authority provides a mental shortcut or heuristic for decision-making. Instead of analyzing every piece of information, we rely on the guidance of someone we believe knows more about the subject. Trust and safety. People often trust authority figures because they believe these individuals have their best interests at heart or have more knowledge and experience. Following authority can feel like a safer choice. Fear of consequences. There can be a fear of negative consequences if one disobeys an authority figure. This fear can range from mild social disapproval to more severe repercussions like losing a job. Social order and structure. Authority helps maintain social order by providing structure and clear guidelines on how to behave. This can make group settings more predictable and less chaotic. Examples of authority in action. Medical professionals. When a doctor recommends a specific treatment or medication, most people will follow the advice without questioning it, because they view the doctor as an expert with authority in the field of medicine. Police officers. If a police officer directs traffic or gives an order, people tend to comply immediately. The uniform, badge, and role itself convey authority, and people follow instructions to maintain safety and avoid penalties. Teachers in a classroom. Students typically listen to and obey their teachers because they are seen as authority figures in the educational environment. This authority is reinforced by the school's rules and the teacher's knowledge. Business leaders. Employees often follow the directives of their managers or CEOs without question because these figures hold authority within the organization. They are trusted to make decisions that align with the company's goals. Advertising with experts. When a toothpaste commercial features a dentist endorsing the product, people are more likely to buy it. The dentist's authority as a healthcare professional makes the recommendation more convincing. Understanding how authority works can help you recognize when you're being influenced by it and decide whether to follow or question the authority based on the situation.